This primary bathroom has a very large jetted tub as well. That is a tile surround on that tub. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Glenbrook in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom crepe myrtle designer home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. As I pan to my left, that is facing west, friends. You will see this home is located on a quiet street. The front of this home does face south, and that is panning east. As I walk up to this home, you will see it has a very deep setback. It is a wood-framed home with a 2-car garage. You will notice that the concrete driveway is in very good condition. And you do see that it has very mature landscaping. As always, friends, please contact your listing agent, Ray Velazquez, with Location Realty. I will include his information in the description of the video. You do see this home has a very attractive entrance, very large transom window in the front. It does have a storm door. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area. And the first thing I notice is this tile floor in the foyer area. It does have a laminate floor in the living and dining area as well. Very nice architecture. It does have acoustic textured ceilings as well. Off to the right of the foyer area, you will find a guest quarter. That guest quarter does have laminate floors. You will find 2 bedrooms and a bathroom here. This is a bedroom that's located in the front of the home. Acoustic textured ceilings. Very nice windows, bay windows. You will see this bedroom has raised panel bifold doors, and I will show you that closet, what that closet looks like. There is your closet. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. There is a solar tube in the roof of this room as well. Next, I will walk into the other guest bedroom. Here is another guest bedroom. It does have laminate floors, acoustic textured ceilings. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. This bedroom does have bifold doors on the closet as well. I will show you what those doors, what the closet looks like. There is your closet. It does have wire rack shelves as well. This is the linen closet for the guest bathroom. I will show you that. It has bifold doors. That is your linen closet. You see the laminate wood floor continuing. This is your guest bathroom. It has tile floors. Beautiful white cabinet. It has granite countertop as well. 1 sink. Very light and bright, this bathroom. That is a tile surround on that shower. And it has a tub as well. It does have wainscoting behind that commode space. Back into the foyer area. Now we are into the living area. Very high ceilings. That is a solar tube right there. Laminate wood floors. This is a very large room. The living room is 16 feet by 23 feet. Very large room. Off to the left, you will see a kitchen area with granite countertops. Let's take a look at that kitchen area. It has white cabinets. Very high ceilings in that kitchen. It does have a gas stove as well. The island has white cabinets, brushed stainless hardware. It does have a 2-bowl sink right there, friends. This is the pantry area for that kitchen. I will show you. It has bifold raised panel doors as well. Next, I will walk out into that backyard area after I give you a panoramic view of this living and dining area. There is a solar tube in the kitchen as well. Here we are going out into the backyard. It does have a concrete patio in very good condition. The back of this home does face north. That is the backyard. I will take a panoramic view. That is your side yard there, friends. That is a better view of your roof line. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. This home is a wood-framed home. I will video the specification sheet next to give you an idea of what this home is. This home is located at 3425 Dixon Lane here in the Villages, Florida. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom crepe myrtle model of a Lantana designer home. There are your specifications. As always, please contact your listing agent, and I will include his information in the description of the video. I will turn the specification sheet over. There is nothing on the other side of the specification sheet. Next, I will walk out into the primary bedroom area. You do see these laminate floors continuing in this primary bedroom. The dimensions of the primary bedroom are 18 feet by 13 feet. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture. I will walk into this corner and spin around and show you what that looks like. There's your primary bathroom. It has tile floors. It has a glass shower door. Very high ceilings. Off to the right, you do see a walk-in closet with a sliding pocket door. You do see the laminate wood floors in this closet. This closet has a lot of wire rack shelves in it. Very spacious closet. Here we are in that shower area. It is a tiled shower. Tiled surround as well in that shower. That shower does have a seat in it as well. Very high ceilings. This primary bathroom has a very large jetted tub as well. That is a tile surround on that tub. There is a window as well. Very high ceilings, recessed lighting. There you do see the white vanity. You do see the granite countertops, 2 sinks, brushed stainless, fixtures. Very nice. This home also has a separate commode room with a swinging raised panel door. That is your commode space right there. It does have a window above that commode as well. Very clean home. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I will walk out into the garage area. This home does have a 2-car garage. It is right off of the kitchen area. You see the laundry room, inside laundry, tile floors. It does have white cabinets. Has a space to fold your laundry as well. A raised panel door leading out into the garage. This laundry room has extra space with a window. Very nice. This door will lead out into the garage. It is a 2-car garage. It is extra deep. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. There are your mechanicals in that corner. That is your water heater in that corner right there. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. The roof was installed in 2020. The HVAC system was replaced in 2019. Let's walk out into the front of this home again, friends. I will give you one last panoramic view of this kitchen area. Beautiful stainless appliances. I will walk out into the street. I'll give you one last panoramic view of the street. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. We are in the village of Glenbrook, in the northern part of the Villages. As always, please contact your listing agent, and I will provide that information to you. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. There you are. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, crepe myrtle version of a Lantana model designer home, wood framed, located here in the village of Glenbrook. List price $399,000. Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. Thank you for taking this home tour with me, located here in the village of Glenbrook. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Lantana model designer home is offered at $399,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.